The first you'll need is pentalobe screwdriver for iPhone. Using it, remove bottom screws. Fix section tool on screen near Home button. Pull the suction tool till gap appears between iPhone case and display assembly. By easy and soft moves, separate iPhone case and display assembly. Now you need Phillips 3.0 screwdriver that is neat to remove screws that secures battery cable. Remove the screws and disconnect battery connector. Do not use metal pry-up tools, just plastic ones. Pry up battery with plastic pry-up tool and remove it. In description of this video I left links to necessary tools and replace parts. To install new battery, replace same steps in reverse order.